To create product badges in your Shopify store, go to the Shopify App Store and search for Badger Product Badges. Then, install the app. After the installation, click the Create Badge button to make your first badge. Choose a badge template from the gallery and adjust its settings. A badge can be added to a single product or to an entire collection. In this example, we'll add it to just one product. You'll find many customization options, including the badge's position, colors, and size. You can also change the text or content to fit your needs. Next, we need to enable the storefront badge embed so the badges actually appear on your store. To do this, click the Open Theme Editor button and enable it. That's it. As you can see, the badge is now displayed on the product we assigned it to. You can repeat these steps to create more badges and highlight different products or entire collections in your store.